everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying a new set of hair extensions. I have very fine and thin hair, so I like to use extensions to add volume. I don't usually use them for length, but I do like to use them to give my hair a little bit of a boost and a fuller look. So when Six Star reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying their extensions, I couldn't wait to do so. They actually sent me two different extensions. One is a set of clip-ins and one is a halo. I'm actually going to be making two videos testing both, and today I'm going to share the clip-ins. Also, my hands have two different colors of nail polish on them. Filming a manicure video right after this one, and I was swatching this polish, so that's kind of why they are looking like this. Here I have a silky straight set, 120 grams. I got them in the color chocolate brown. So in the box, this is really nice. They sent a set of lashes. These are some gold mink 3D hair lashes. Holy cow. That's nice. They sent extra hair clips, which is always great to have on hand. And then a very legit hair clip. And then the hair is in this little silk bag, which is nice. One of the most frustrating things that I find about hair extensions is having to store them. A lot of times I just want to unclip my hair and put them in a bag, and this will be perfect for that. They came in a little netting. I think this color is probably going to match my hair pretty perfectly. It is a little darker because I do highlight the top. I always try to match my extensions to my base hair, and I think that's pretty good. They are secured with a couple of zip ties. I'm just clipping these ties off. If you've ever gotten hair extensions, you know how nice they are when they are fresh out of the package. Oh, they're just so smooth. No knots, no tangles. Oh, it's just like the most, literally the most luxurious hair. Let me see how many wefts are included. I think this is an 8-inch weft. It has 4 clips on it. There are 2 4-inch wefts. They each have 2 clips. A 6-inch weft with 3 clips, another 6-inch weft with 3 clips, and then I have 2 more 4 inches. I normally don't use all of this hair unless I want to look and feel like Ariana Grande, which I wouldn't want to do that. It's too heavy for my head. Today I think I'm gonna do, they're a little too long, which is fine. I can always clip them. When I put my extensions in, I like to try to get as close to the crown as possible, but make sure that I still have enough of my real hair to disguise the clips. I'm gonna start around here and pull about that much. And I'm just gonna clip it out of the way. What I think I'm gonna do today is put 2 6 inches on each side and then put the 8-inch around the back. And hopefully that'll blend well enough. So what I like to do is put the smaller pieces in first and then put the larger one on top so you don't have as many exposed ends. Take a thin bit of hair from the part and lightly tease. And I tease around the whole part. Just kind of run your finger around the part and pull up a little bit of hair. Teasing is crucial. If you want your clips to stay in place, they have to really have something to latch onto. So for girls, especially like myself who have finer, thinner hair, extensions aren't going to stay put as easily. So I like to do this. Just go all the way around. I like to guesstimate about where they'll be and then tease those areas just a little bit more. And I take a little hairspray. First up, we're teased, we're sprayed, open the clip, and lock it in. And it feels very secure. If it doesn't feel secure, you'll know. So I can feel right now where the next clip is gonna be. I'm just going to tease this one area a little bit more. Tease this area just a little bit, spray it, and clip it in. And there we go. It's in. It feels great and it matches perfectly. This color blends pretty seamlessly. Oh, I love it. All right, we're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. I'm gonna start by putting the first clip right about here. And you don't wanna go too close to the face. You want your hair to cover that. So here's the first. That feels great. These clip really nicely. So this last clip is overlapping the first set of extensions. So instead of teasing, what I'm gonna do is just clip it right into that extension. So it's not clipped at all to my natural hair, it's just clipped to the extension. So there we go, just like that. Long, beautiful hair. Oh, I love it. Okay, then I'm gonna put one more set in. So this is the 8-inch weft. I'm just gonna cover the entire back. I'm just going to clip it in right on top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it covers most of my head. I love it, I love it, I love it. I kind of want to put more hair in, but I really don't think I need it. So what I'm going to do is brush the top part out Make sure it covers. So it definitely covers all the extensions. I'm probably gonna tease it a little bit and then style. So I already sprayed my hair with a heat protectant, but I'm gonna do it again. One of the great things about these extensions is that they can be dyed and they can be styled with heat. You don't want to get any extensions that cannot do that. These are Remy Human Hair, which is what you're going to want to invest in. My curling iron is heating up. I'm going to section my hair into 2 parts and then we're going to style them. I find that when I wear extensions, if I curl my hair, they blend more seamlessly. Anytime that I've worn them and straightened my hair, it just doesn't look as natural. It feels so good. Every time I put extensions in, I just want to cry. I wish I had this much hair. I have not been styling my hair too much lately. I've been trying to avoid any and all hot tools because I really want my hair to grow. But once in a while, I think it's okay. So you can already tell my natural hair blends in pretty well. You can't really see where it ends, which is what we want. I'm gonna take this down and do this half first. And now the top. The top is the most important part because this is obviously the most visible part and you want to do a good job of disguising the hair. All right, so I'm just going to take the hair in the back right now. And what I like to do is gently tease. This is all natural hair. None of what is being curled right now is extension. Now I'm going to do the same right here. Just tease and then curl. Around the face, you really want to continue curling away. And I don't curl it for too long up top. I feel like this is the hair that normally fries. One more. And that's it. So once your hair is curled, you're just going to lightly pull at it with your fingers, kind of separate it, blend it. Sometimes I like to brush it and give it a quick spray. If you feel like your clips are popping out in any areas, just go back and tease a little bit. And if you're worried about your clips showing, one of my favorite ways to wear my hair with extensions is clip it like that and they'll stay in place all day and no one will see them. So that is it. That is how I like to install or put on my hair extensions. I really like this hair a lot. It looks so natural. It feels great. It fits well. The pieces are the right size, the right length, and I just feel
kind of like a Victoria's Secret angel.
I'm so happy. I'm really, really happy. This is awesome. Thank you so much to 6 Star Hair for sending these extensions over. I'm gonna leave all the product information and links below. If you're interested in purchasing some extensions of your own, you can use the code ZAMANDA for $10 off your order at checkout. Stay tuned. I'm going to be reviewing their halo hair next month, and if it's anything like their clip-ins, I'm really, really excited. I love the idea of halos because it's just a little less work. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.